Moikka! Let's make some paper scrap trees. Let's start by gathering those lovely paper scraps and then cutting some smaller and some larger triangles. And after the cutting, the next step is optional. You can decorate these triangles or use them as they are. And then the next step is to decide which pieces to use with this tree, and you continue then by ripping the bottom part of the triangle. I think this makes a lovely effect to the tree. Then the next step is optional again. You can leave these as they are, or you can cut them into the shape you want the tree to be. You can use these, for example, in Christmas card making. I decided to do an art journaling spread with these trees. So if you want to check out one way to use these, let's roll the tape. It is always a joy to do some art journaling. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a lovely week. Moi moi!